Okay. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat po. This time, valuable naman po tayo. Valuable action po tayo. Live po tayo sa QSL o Qatar Sparkers League. Dito po tayo sa Spark Dome naman in Doha. Maraming salamat po. And of course, we're featuring right now all Panda teams. Panda Hitters and Panda Volleyboys. Panda Volleyboys po tayo is colored in white and red combination. Sa kabila na po is reverse po yan. Ang Panda Hitters po is colored black. All black po sila and red combination. Will be now, ako po yung host nyo, si Arvin G Vlogs with you. And I will deliver blow by blow po. Valuable action to the best between Panda Heroes and Panda Volleyboys po. Live po tayo ngayon sa Aspire Sports Center. Diyan po yan po sa Aspire po yan. Malapit po nito sa yung The Torch area. Yan. Anytime soon po, 5 sets po ito. 5 sets action po tayo yun. Maraming salamat po pala po sa QSL for giving me a chance to comment this finals. Expect a valuable action at its best po talaga yan sa araw na to. And we'll see now after this moment because we have to start right now. Tapos na pang warm up po. Mag-warm, it's about to end now and we'll now start now the game proper itself. Good luck pare ha. Good luck. Okay, we'll now start the game proper itself. Yan. Oh, yung kanina po, kita nyo po yan, yung naka-purple, yan po si Nixon. Good po yan yung pinaka-factor po nila para ika-check po yung mga, masalo po yung mga spike ng kalaban. Nila si Josh naman po sa kabila na po, yung matangkad naman. Yan yung parang pinaka-go-through man nila. Middle blocker po yun po ng Panda. And expect a very, very valuable action po sa hapong ito. Wala muna po tayo ng basketball. Valuable naman po tayo yun. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo for the opening whistle sa championship na ito. Thank you very much po and enjoy the ball game. Ouch. Okay, Panda. Sa kabila naman pala, meron siya din set, libero din yata. All liberos po dito is reinforced kasi, kasi to medyo lower class po ito. Dito po na leaks yung dati na talagang pangmalakas, pambayon talaga. Ngayon dito, tayo ngayon? Medyo lower class muna. Limited players. Right now, sige po. Slow connection. Yung Victa, yung kanilang ever reliable setter po yan ng Panda.
Sparkers League. Live po tayo ngayon sa Asparto. And hope you're watching right now wherever you are. Just enjoy the show. Get your popcorn ready and expect a 5-set volleyball action po tayo ngayon. Dito lang po si Shannon Jill Hampramer and Alice is watching. Thank you po sa aking Martin Evaristo FB page. Okay. We're just waiting now for the opening whistle and we're about to start now the 5-set matchup between Panda Volley Boys and Panda Hitters. Panda Black po and Panda White. Okay, that's it now. We will now call now the first 6 for both teams. After 5 minutes break. This is your Qatar Sparkers League. Live po tayo always the Spark Dome here in Qatar. Switching the teams off for the championship now for men's volleyball action between Panda Volley Hitters. That's in white, and also Panda Hitters of that's in black. Yan, Panda Black versus Panda White po ang labanan po ngayon. Both teams po, niligwak po nila po ang kanilang semifinals matchup. And now, okay na po, pray over na po tayo. Nagdadasal na sila for guidance. And hoping na you're watching right now, wherever you are, in the comfort of home po. 5 sets bubble action between Panda and Panda. Panda. Parang one day league ng mga Panda po tayo. Okay. First set coming up. Jo and Sam. Okay, Red's ready to rumble. Okay, meron silang traditional na entry muna parang sa World Cup to. Ika nga, lahat sila pumaparada muna. Okay. Ha? Okay. This is your Qatar Sparkers League. Following teams now for the championship match between Panda Volley Hitters and Panda Volley Boys. Okay, let's ready now. Pasok na po kayo mga kababayan ko.
Okay, ito na po sila po tayo ngayon. Pumapasok na po sila. Panda Valley Boys, the Panda White Panda versus Panda Hitters, the Black Panda. Polar opposites po tayo ngayon. White versus Black pong labanan po ngayon. This is your Qatar Sparkers League Men's Volleyball Action Championship match between Panda Valley Boys and Panda Hitters. Di na kasi umakapaano dyan dahil kasi nasa touch na kasi ako. Nakaseta po kasi dito. Okay, ito po sila. Let's shake hands and come out fighting. Championship match between Panda Valley Hitters and Panda Valley Boys. Black versus White Panda po ang labanan po ngayon sa araw na ito. Salamat ha. Okay, announcing now the first 6 for Panda Valley Boys. Number 26, Hershon. Number 17, Joanne. Number 18, Didi. Number 3, Josh. Number 19, Reds. Number 27, Paulo. And declared de Vera po is Lloyd Aquino. For the Panda Hitters po, ikama Panda Black po tayo yun, is number 16, Reggie Pascual. Number 29, Fred Espiritu. Number 28, si Erwin Victa. Number 15, Miggy Zamora. Number 11, Ronald De La Cruz. And number 19, Jesse Prado. And of course, last but not the least, declared de Vera po, si Boss Nixon. Nixon Bernardo for the libero. And now for the officials. Qatar Sparkers League. First referee, international referee po tayo, RJ Aure. Second referee, international referee po tayo, Jeben Bilesa. And for the linesman and lines judges po tayo is Madam Jo Satormango and Mr. Sam Bautista. With it now, let's get it on! First set, volleyball action right now. Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you. Sabi sa pag-40 kasi simula na talaga yan. 40. Okay, first set po tayo. First set, volleyball action po tayo yun. Service. Who's serving, my friends? Who's serving? Okay, Panda White is now serving. That's number 25. That's number 26, Hershon. Okay. First service, ito na. Well dig now. And now, Victa. Okay. Knock in my house po. Sabi po ni Josh. Josh says, knock in my house. Point now for Panda White. First set pa lang po ito. 1-0. 1 love. Second. Okay. Nixon, what a dig. Victa, number 15, dig muna po tayo yun. And now number 18, Didi, nice dig. And now number 5, ihulog muna po muna. And of course number 15, Josh, power dig po muna tayo. Victa, ihulog muna. 17, 10 to number 18 si Didi, inside. Inside, sabi ng referee po is inside. The score is 2-0. First set volleyball action pa lang po tayo yun. First set. Okay, nice service. Nice dig. Hulog, different. Hulog din sa 15. Victa, inopen muna. Hulog. Nice cover, Didi and Josh. Power dig by Josh. Iba talaga pag laking laking star margarine talaga. Okay, what a power dig by Josh. Point again for Panda White. Service again, Panda White. On the line. It's outside. Okay. 3-1. Nakapuntos din. Brent now for the service. Number 29, si Brent. Number 29 of Brent. Now serving. Brent for the service. Nice service! Short ball nga lang. Okay, now service now is number 17. That's Joanne. Panda Valley Boys now on the service. Kanina pa si number 27 ang nag-service. That's Paolo. Now si Joanne naman ngayon nagsa-service now. Nice service now. Ayun, not what a dig now. Victa. Pinasa tres, not in my house. Okay, hulog talaga. Wala po talaga doon. Triple block po yung ginawa nila. Pinalo, coverage. Good coverage pa ni Nixon. 18. Dinig na lang niya, pabalik. Hulog. Outside. It's outside. Sabi ng Lines Judge. Lines Judge says it's outside. Then it's remain to be outside. Victa for the service. Nice service. Nice dig. Hulog. Inside. What a hulog by number 11. That's si Ronald po. Naghulog po. Giving the third point po para sa Panda. Black. Victa again for the service. Nice dig by Brent. Brent. It's outside. It's outside. It's outside. The score now is 4-all. Tablados po tayo sa 4. 4-all now. It's 4-all. Again, Victa for the service. The lefty. Nice service. Tapos nga lang. Nice service. Tapos nga lang po. Again, si Didi naman now on the service line. That's number 18 for the Panda White or Panda Valley Boys. Didi on the line. Nice service. Nice dig by number 16. Hulog. Nandun si Didi. Nice coverage. And hulog niya sa likod. It's outside. Neil, yung score. Yeah, thank you. 5-all po tayo ngayon. It's 5-all. 5-all. First set pa lang po tayo. Ngayon. Number 15. That's number 15 po. That's Miggy Zamora. It's outside. Outside po. 6-5. Again, ahead naman muli po ang White Panda or the Panda Valley Boys. Service. Nice for the dig by Nixon. Sa tres muna. Hulog po. Si Josh now. Paolo. No good. Okay, again, 6-all po tayo ngayon. 6-all. Okay, labas muna po si Nixon. Brent now is now already inside. Pumalo. Nice service. Nice dig by De Libero. And bang! Nice dig. One more time. Sa 4. Nice shot by Reds. Nice spike by Reds. Again, giving the point again for Panda White. 6-7 na po tayo. It's 6-7. Panda White po leading by 1 point. Reds now for the service. That's number 19. Nice service by Reds. Nixon, not a dig. Underhand muna po tayo. Hulog! Isa pa tao. Hinulog na sa likod. Brent for the service. For the match reception. Reds, nakadig. And Paolo. Good pa rin. Hulog. Hinabol ni Josh. Josh para coverage po. Easy over na lang muna po tayo yun. Now, ito na. Set up now to number. Kay Brent. It is inside. 7-all. Brent. What by the attack of Brent? It's 7-all. Number 22. That's Jesse Prado. Serving for Panda Black. Nice service. Floater service po tayo. And now, Paolo. Bang! Brent, hulog. Pero dumulas ng konti. Hulog sa likod. Brent, nandun. And now, Paolo. Nandun, si number 11. Number 16, Paolo. Nandun si Libero. Isa pa, nandun si Renz. Hulog. Okay. Victa naman. Victa setup now to the opener. Nando si Paolo. Setup sa likod. Nando si Nixon. Hulog sa likod. Okay, Josh. Setup now. Hulog! Ayun! Nice shot by Paolo. Brainy. Napaka-brainy po niya. Discounting Marino muna pong pinauran po ni Paolo. Again, number 27, Paolo for the service again. Sa ating first set pala po tayo ng ating championship match between Panda Black and Panda White. First service. Nice service. Nixon receiving. Brent pumalo. Nandun si Red. Didi, easy over muna tayo. Sabi niya. Victa. Opener. Bang. Nandun si Dreads. Hulog. Nandun si number 22. Hulog din. Pero miscommunication. 7-9. The score line 7-9. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang White Panda. Okay, pass labas muna po si Josh para kay number 77 yung libero. Okay, service. Great service by 27. Victa sa open at binana. Bang! Nando, meron pang tao doon. Isa pa. Naisi over na muna tayo. 26. Quick set. Hulog! Pero may tao doon. Nice block by Brent. Great block by Brent. Number 16 na for the service, si Rayo Pascual for the service. Rayo. Okay. And hulog sa likod. May tao doon. Hulog din sa likod. May tao din doon. And si Didi pumalo. Hulog sa likod muli. Hinulog, hinabol. And number 17. Didi again. One more time. Hulog sa likod. Pumalo, nandun si Reds. Tapos nga lang. Sayang. Nice effort by Reds, but it's not enough. Point again for Panda Black, 9-all. First set. Number 16, serving. That's Mr. Pascual. Nice service. Joshua. JD, not over. Change favor now, 10-9. Leading na po ngayon ang Black Panda. Black Panda for the lead now. Number 16 again. Serving. This shows with you Arvin G. Vlogs. And you're down delivering the valuable action. Now, it's inside. It's inside. It's inside. Sabi ng linesman, it's inside. Okay, teka lang. Verification muna po tayo yun. Team captains, tinawag po ni Mr. RJ. Neil. Kuya, sino sponsor ninyo? Sponsor? Walang sponsor? O, sige, wala. Okay. Okay, call overruled. It's outside. Service. Panda White. 10-all po tayo yun. Victa. Brent. Inside. Number 29, Brent delivering the goods for Panda Black. Hindi pala pwede. Brent delivering the goods for Panda Black. Now again, si Brent going up with the service for Panda Black. That's Brent. Panda Black on the service. 11-10. Hulog. Okay. Ito lang. Okay, sige po. Service muli po tayo, Victor. Nice five, not in my house. Nando si Joss again. Ang parang iron curtain nila. O yung iron dome po ng Panda White. Yung kanilang iron dome po, nandyan din pala siya. Number 3, Josh. And now, ito po tayo, Victa. Number 15, Black again. Again, Black. Back to back Black. And time at the call by Panda Black before that. Maghanap po muna po tayo. This game is brought to you by Collagen Active. Ayun po yan. Collagen Active po yan. Plus, ito po para po sa collagen po yan. Pampaganda, pampakinis, pampaganda po ng balat. And this packed with vitamin C. Collagen Active po yan. This is made in Qatar. Yan. Collagen Active po yan. Ito po yan, Collagen Active po. Collagen Active. Pampaganda. Nature Beauty. And ika nga, walang clothes na flawless. Yan po ang Collagen Active. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go right now. 11-13. Lamang na po muli po ang White Panda or the Panda Valley Boys. Service. Valley Boys. Nice service by number 17. Nixon. Hulog. Joust. Hindi rin umubra. Nandun pa rin si Josh. What a block by Josh, or what a denial by Josh. Again, still Valley Boys serving. Great service. 19, Nixon naka-receive. 15, hulog muna. Okay, ito na, set up now. Tune up to kay Reds. Hulog! Walang tao doon. Nobody there. Again, point by Renz. 15, 11, 4-point advantage now by White Panda. Service again. Nice service. Number 19, si Nixon. 15, hulog sa likod. Nandun si Paulo. Reds, hulog, wala. Fly ball. Fly ball po tayo, fly ball. Again, si Victa na naman for the service. The score is 12-15. Nice service of Victa. Nice dig by number 5, Libero. Josh! Outside! Check out! Nice shot, 12-16. Okay, substitution made now. Didi out for Michael In. Michael In, Didi out para sa Panda Valley Boys or sa Panda White. Number 1 serving si Mike. Michael for the service. Nice service. And now, bang! Nandun ni Libero. Set up again. Reds. Nandun. Si number 16. Victa. Great coverage. Hulog. Good ball. And it's outside. Fly ball. Nice pancake sana. Masarap sana ang pancake sa umaga. Pero ito, masamang pancake to. Balik muli po sa Panda Black ang bola. That's the score right now is 13-16. Number 15, Panda Black service. That's Miggy Zamora. Oops, si Daisy. Touch net si Paolo. Referee says touch net for Paolo. Again, same server, Miggy Zamora, number 15 for Panda Black. Miggy Zamora serving. Nice service. Okay, now sa open, Paulo, bang! Merong coverage. Bang! Nandun si Libero. And si Reds, bang! Nandun din, may tao doon. Maganda sagutan po nangyari po dito. Josh, mayroon sumuot doon. And now, hulog, pero blankado, pero outside. The referee says it's outside. Check out to Josh. Check out the Josh. The score right now is 15-16. Umahabol muli po ang Panda hitters. Black Panda po umahabol po. First service now by Miggy Zamora. Nice service. Nice dig. And Josh, hulog. Victa. And now, hulog Josh. Pero tumawa. Touch net po si Josh. Josh called for a touch net. Again, still service pa rin po ni Miggy. Miggy for the service. Josh, touch net po ang tinawag po kay Josh. Number 15 for the service. Great service. Okay, nice dig. Now kay Paolo. Bang! Inside! It's inside. Service again now by Panda Valley Boys. The White Panda, si Josh and Gracia. The score is 16-17. And thank you pala po sa Aspardom for lending your facilities po to make this championship possible. And also the same po is yung Collagen Active po yan. Pampaganda at maraming at iba pa. Collagen Active. Beauty tablet po yan. Service again by Panda by number 11. Reds. Nice side spec to Reds. Reds, check out! It's outside. Nice spike by Reds. Okay, Reds now for the service. Reds now for the service. Stalwart po yan. Ang ibang mga liga rin dati like Merman's Hot Shots. Bang! Nice block. Again, denied. Rents now again for the service. The score is 17-19. We're about now to close now the first set. Sige. Rents again for the service. Nice service by Rents. Victa. Pumalo. Humulog. May tao doon. Set up sa open. Hulog sa likod. Nandun yung libero. And now kay Paolo. Nandun si Nixon pero di na kontrol ng bola. Again, point again to Panda Valley Boys. Panda White po na looking na to put away na the first set. 20-17. A 3-point advantage. Reds. Service. Nice Guam. Nixon. Victa. Brent. Pumalo. Denied by Herschel. And it's a timeout again by Panda Black. This game is going by Collagen Active. Ito po yan. Pampagana, beauty at pampagana at iba pa. Hanap po yan po ng Collagen Active. Ayan ha, Collagen Active po yan ha. Ayan ha, ito po yan, Collagen Active po yan. Maraming salamat po, Collagen Active, for being responsible with our Qatar Sparkers League. The score right is 17-21. Laman po ng 4 ang White Panda or the Panda Valley Boys. After this, of course, after this championship match po, meron pong awarding po dito and trophy giving and of course, some post-game interviews po natin gagawin po mamaya po dito sa ligang ito. Again, si Reds for the service. Service si Reds. Nice service. And nice spike. Nandun. May tao doon. Paolo. Block. Hinulog. May tao pa rin. Set up again para sa opener. Tap muna. Hulog sa likod. Nandun si Nixon. Vista one more time para sa opener. Hulog din. Nandun si Paolo. Hulog din sa likod. Outside. Malakas ang hulog sa likod. Masyadong malakas ang hulog. Tanggalan ng konting pressure muna daw, sabi. Number 22, Panda Black for the service. That's Jesse Prado for the service. Nice service. Nice dig. And Paolo. Nice dig. Victa sa opening muli. Hulog. And it's in. Nice hulog by number 16. And it's a time at the call by Panda White. This game is sponsored by our sponsor, Collagen Active. Yan po yan. Beauty, pampagana tablet po yan. At iba pa, Collagen Active. Yan ha. Maraming salamat po. And standby po tayo po para sa pagpapatuloy po ng laro ito. Collagen Active. Back to the ball game. The score right is 19-21. Black Panda still trailing behind by 2 points. And now, still on the service line is number 22. That's Mr. Jesse Prado. Jesse Prado for the service. Nice service. Nice dig. Again, Paulo. Outside. Denied. But still, it's outside. Nice spike by Paulo. 22-19. Service. Number 9, Irvin. Paulo out, Irvin in. Service, Mr. Irvin, number 9. Irvin for the serve. Uy! Victa. Pumalo. Buhay ang bola. And hulog. Outside. Nice service for Irvin. Again, number 16 for the service. For Panda Block. Or the Panda Hitters po tayo. Service, it's good. Reds, hulog. Pinahirapan ng setter. Hinulog muna. Pasok ang bola. Okay, last two. Panda White looking to take na first set sa ating championship match. Service. It's good service. Eto na. Victa, Brent, Pumalo. Lango serving! No good. Hindi na kontrol ng bola. Balik muli po sa Panda Black ang bola. Si Brent naman ang for the service. The score is 21-20. Substitution made now. That's number 7, si Rom. Para kay Mr. Brent Orpice, number 29. Rom for the service. Number 7. Service, Mr. Rom. Nice service. Nice dig. And kay Josh ang bola. Pumalo. Outside. Check out. Last set point for Mr. Panda White. Panda White for the set point. Nice service. And Victa. Pumalo. Check out. Nice spike by Panda Black. Service again ni Victa. The score right now is 22-24. Nice service. Reds. Scaffold. Nagkaroon po ng konti hulog. Okay, chance again to set up. Pumalo, hinulog. Hinulog din. Naghulugan sila. And na pumalo si Paulo. It's outside. Sorry, it's Michael po pala. Michael. It's outside. The score is 23-24. And a time and again called by Panda White. This game is brought by Collagen Active. Pampaganda tablet po yan, pampaganda tablet po yan, at iba pa, Collagen Active Plus. Yan. Okay, Collagen Active. And again po, back. We'll sample na po ito ang game. The score right now is 23-24. Service still number 20 ni Mr. Victa or ni Erwin Victa. Service Mr. Victa. Serving Victa for the service. Nice service. Number 11. And si Josh Pumalo. Good ball outside. And okay, first set now is taken already by Panda White. Standby po tayo po sa second set. Thank you very much. Standby po tayo, second set. First set now taken already by Panda White. Panda White and Collagen Active. Thank you for the sponsor po. At yung sponsor, Collagen Active. And standby po tayo po sa second set. Thank you very much.
White now taking only the first set sa kanilang championship matchup between Panda Black against Panda Black. And standby po tayo po sa second set. Okay, second set following action between Panda White and Panda Black. Panda White only taking out first set, 25-23. We'll see now for the second set. Okay, second set, start. Second set, start now.
Second set, that's Brent now for the service. Panda Black serving now, Brent. Nice service. And si Johannes, nulog muna natin si Brent. Victa. Pumalo! Ayun! Pasok! Patay! That's number 16, service. That's number 16 for the kill. That's Reggie. Again, Brent for the service. Nice service. Nice dig. Johannes. Josh! Power dig by Josh. Power dig by Josh is in. Now Johannes now for the service. Service now ni Johannes, number 17. Okay, what a dig. Victa. Miggy! May tao doon. One more time. Kay Miggy muli. Miggy, hulog! It's outside! Sabi ng referee, it's outside daw. Sabi ng linesman, it's outside. Tuloy po tayo. The score rate is 2-1. 2-1 po tayo. Number 17 still on the score, on the line. Nice service. Nice dig. And si Miggy, hinulog. Nandun si Josh. Now Josh again. No, it's Red. Pumasok si Red. Pumasok at pumalo. Kagad. Nice kill by Red. Nice kill by D. Kahoy. Number 17 for the service. Panda White. Great service. And hulog. Okay, set up po ni Putangyo. Kaya number 16. Percentage spike muna. Johannes. Hulog din! Pumasok agad kay Reds. Nice skill by Reds. Tuloy po tayo. 17 on the service line. Nice service. Short ball. Victa. Hulog. Hop si Daisy. Touch net. Josh, hindi po basketball po ito. Paalala lang ha. Volleyball po ito. Hindi po ito basketball. Tinataktak mo eh. Okay, number 16 serving. Nice service. Nice dig. 27. 28. Didi. Percentage spike. Now Victa. Hulog. Nice one. Nice skill. Nice skill by number 84. That season with you. In season, out of season. He's always in season. Service. Nice service by number 16. Pumalo si Josh. Pasok. Nice skill by Josh. Didi now number 18 for the service. Didi number 18 for the service. Service ni Didi. Pumalo. Nice dig. And now, Miggy, percentage spike. Nando si Didi. Johannes. Reds. Nando. Migo. Pero it's outside. Hindi na-control yung reception. It's outside. Service again ni Didi. Didi for the service. Service ni Didi. Nice service. Nice dig. And Miggy. Somebody's there. Denied. And it's a timeout call by Panda Black. Habang po kayo timeout po. This game is brought to you by Collagen Active. Beauty Pampagana at ibabahan doon po yun ang Collagen Active. Oy, kumusta? Yan. Beauty Pampagana at ibabahan doon po yun po ng Collagen Active. Yan. Okay. Lamang po ng 4 ang Panda White.
Oh, Panda!
Panda White, lamang po ng 7-3. Tuloy po tayo sa larong ito. Still Didi on the line. Didi on the line. And okay, Didi on the line. Nice service. Nice dig. And big tatong Miggy. Hulog muna. May tao doon. Hulog ni Reds. May tao din doon. And now si outside. Malakas masyado. The score right now is 8-3. 5 point in advantage now by Panda White. Again, Didi still on the line. Service by Didi. Nice service. Nice dig. Victa sa ace. Okay, controlled by Johannes. And now easy over now by Delibero. Nixon. And Miggy. Lumusot. Nawala na. Lumusot lang. Miggy, what a spike by Miggy. Lumusot sa blockers niya. And now number 84 si Season on the service. Panda Black. Service. Tahimik. Paano? Oy! Overlapping violation. Nice call by the second referee si Jet. Si Jeben. Nasilip pa ni Jeben yun. Napakatalas na rin ng mata. Kahit wala pang salamin. Okay. Tuloy po tayo. Season still on the service line. Nice service. Nice dig. Johannes. Hulog! May tao doon. Wala na. Okay, the score now is 9-5. Laban muli po ng 4. Josh for the service. Service ni Josh, number 3. Nice service. Short ball masyado. Erwin. Hulog talaga. Again, nice placing by Mr. Miggy. Miggy now on the service line. Miggy, service line. Number 15, Miggy. Nice service. Nice dig. Again, pumalo. It's in. Nice, quick spike. Quick delivery immediately by number 23. Service ni Reds. Great service. Short ball. The score right is 10-7. Lamang po ng 3 ang team Panda rin. Team Panda White. Reds. Hulog! Pero not in my house. Sabi number 16. That's Reggie. Sabi ni Reggie, not in my house. Number 28 again for the service. Panda Black. Victa. Again. Paolo. Hulog muli. Pero hindi. Nak-check po rin po yan. One more time. Easy over. Okay, now set up now. Set up. Pumalo. Pasok ang bola. Nice spike. Nice spike by number 16, si Reggie. The score right now is 10-9. A 1-point lead lang ang lamang ng Panda White. Service. Nice dig by Reds. Reds at sumais. Hinulog. Nandun si Nixon. And now, pumalo. Not in my house. Blancado. Sarado bangko. Okay, ito po tayo si Johannes. Pumalo. Sarado ng bangko. Hulog sa likod. Walang tao doon. Point again for Panda White. Nice placing play by Mr. 17. Paolo, number 27 on the line. Service by Paolo. Service. It's good. It's in. And Reggie. Nice spike by Reggie. Nice spike by number 16, Mr. Reggie. The score right is 11-10. Lamang na po ng isa ang White Panda. Ang Panda Puti. Paolo. Pumalo. May tao doon. Check out! Okay. Hershon for the service. The score right now again is 12-10. Lamang ng dalawa ang White Panda. Ang Panda Puti, lamang po ng dalawa. Nice service. And now, Reggie, top spin. It's good. Johannes. Josh to Johannes. Pumalo. It's out. And 10 na violation. The score right now, point again for White Panda. The score is 13-10. Service, number 26. Nixon, hululog muna sa kabila. Hulog. Okay, set up po tayo. Set up sa 4. Opposite spike. It's in. Yan ang sa magaling na setter. Kaya niya magtago ng mga kanyang mga spiker. That's one trait of a good setter when he can hide its spikers or attackers. Brent! Costly mistake by Brent. Okay, this point now again for White Panda. The score is 14-11. 14-11 po tayo. Number 17 on the service line. 17, service. It's good. Nixon. Victa. So 4 muli. Pumalo. Isa pa. Easy over by Nixon. Reds. Nando si Nixon. Victa. Dukot. Hulog sa likod. Okay. Johannes to Hulog. Power dink again by Josh. Point for Panda White. Power dink by Josh. Number 17 still on the line. White Panda. White Panda, number 17. It's good. Eto na. Reggie, Miggy, top spin. Johannes, Reds, Nando, may tao doon. One more time. Set up kay Reggie. Pumalo, Nando, yung libero. Johannes again. Reds. Nice spike by Reds. This game now is getting interesting. Battle of the opposite spikers. Nakita po natin yan. Walang pumapalo ng open, kundi opposite lang. Ang ginagawa nila, Nixon. And kay Miggy, percentage lang. Johannes, hulog. Si Miggy muli, Miggy. Tinago sa tres, pumalo. Walang tao doon. Nice spike by number 84. That Season. Yan po si Atty. Season. Ipaglalaman ka niyan. Season. Nice spike by Season. Service by Reggie. Reggie, number 16. 16, Reggie. It's good. Ayan na. Johannes. Number 19, pumalo, pumasok, check out. Nice shot by Reds. Nice shot ni Kahoy.
Pwede naman. Sila-sila lang naman. Sila-sila lang naman yan.
Didi, serving. Nice service. Good ball. Didi again. Hulog. Okay, that's it. Point again for Black Panda. The score right now is 17-13 naman ang apat ang team White Panda. Okay, number 22 in, number 84 out. Service now ni number 22 ng Black Panda. Serving. It's good. It's good. Johannes. Josh! Okay. Coverage good. Hulog! It's in. Nice attack by Mr. Reds. Galing ni Kahoy. Grabe.
Paribulto na kami.
Machete. Josh! Victa. Pumalo! Outside! White serve. White spike. White spike. White spike. Very white spike. Service. Sino serve po? Check out pala. Miggy for the service. Miggy serving. It's good. And Johannes. Si Bat. Malakas. Pero may tao doon. 27. Check out. May tao din doon. Hulog. Hulog pa rin. And now set up. Pinaba 11. It's good. Hulog. 11. Nice wallop. It's good. Red. Nice dig by number 16. 11. May tao doon. Blankado. Sarado bangko. And now, Red. Check out. Wag muna kayong mag-ano. Baka mamaya mapurnada. Wag munang magbilang ng itlog. Siso sa itlog. Reds now for the service. The score is 19-14. Panda White slowly pulling away. Pumalo. Good ball. Good ball. And Miggy for the... Nice one by number 11. Nice spike. Parang exclamation point ang ginawa niya ni De La Cruz. Victa again, serving. Nice service by the lefty. Red. Pinahirapan ang sarili niya. And it's a timeout called by White Panda.
Wow, Panda.
Habang tayo nakatime po, this game is brought by Collagen Active. Tabletas po yung napampaganda. Collagen Active. Yan po yan. Yan po. Available po yan po on all leading drugstore all around Qatar. Collagen Active.
We're now on the second set now for the Champions Series now between Panda White and Panda Black. The score is 19-16.
Panda White again looking forward to take away the second set. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, game Victa pa lang sumbola. Nakalimutan ko. Service ng Panda Black. Del Victa, the lefty. Si Mr. Lefty, ang kaliwete. Si Victa ang kaliwete. Good ball. Set up. Hulog. Dinang. Good ball, good ball. Pumalo. Buhay pa rin bola. Again. Pinalo. Outside. Malakas. Hindi naklip ang bola ni number 26 ni Hershon. Same server. Erwin Victa for the service. The score is 17-19. Nice service. Joshua, nice reception. Number 2 na, and not good. Paolo missing the mark. Again, still Erwin Victa for the service. Service, 28. Red. Pumalo! Walang tao doon. Nice spike by number 26. That's Hershon. Point for Hershon. The score is... Ha? Eh, nakasulat Hershon eh. Oh. Okay. Erwin, number 9, serving. Paolo, nilabas muna. Nice dig. Victa. Reggie. Good ball, good ball. Okay, easy over again. One more time. Pumalo, not good. Blancado. Easy over. And Johannes. Hulog. Jao Sana. Victa. Hulog. Good ball. Josh. Didi, easy over na lang yan. Good ball. And now kay Brent. Good ball. Wala na. 4 touches. Four touches committed by the Panda Black. Point again for Panda White. The score is 21-18. Last 4 para sa Panda White sa second set. Erwin, nice service for Erwin. Reggie, nice spike. And Johannes, pumalo, check out. Nice spike by Hershon. Service again by Mr. Erwin. Hindi po yan si Magic Johnson. Erwin, number 9, serving. Pumalo and nice dig. Victa. Brent. Sarado Bangko. Again, Erwin for the service. Service ni Erwin. Wait, service. It's out. The score is 23-19. Panda White now is looking forward now to take away now the second set also. Service to De La Cruz, number 11. Erwin to Didi. Didi. Blancado. One more time. Kay Reggie. Hulog. Check out. Point again for Panda Black out from the attack from Mr. Reggie. And timeout called by Panda White. This game is brought to you by Collagen Active. Quality pampagana sa inyong ikanga sa inyong beauty products. Collagen Active. Yan po yan, ha? Yan. Collagen Active po yan. Collagen Active Plus. Available po yan po ng all leading drugstores po all around the town. Collagen Access. Service, back to the ball game. The score right now is 23-20. Service si number 11, si De La Cruz. Service. Nice service. Oy! Again, overlapping. Nice call again by Jeben, the second referee. Again, service number 11. It's good. Rebs. Johannes. Pumalo outside. Service again. Ni number 11, De La Cruz. 23-22. Hulog. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Brent. Reggie Hulog. Version. Touch net. Okay, point again now for Panda White. The score is 24-22. Set point again para sa Panda White. Hershon on the line. Hershon. Nice service. It's good. Victa. Reggie Hulog. May tao doon. Hulog ni Josh. Victa. One more time. Pumalo. Percentage spike. Didi. Okay, that's it. Second set taken away again by Panda White. Standby po tayo po sa third set. This is a finals matchup between Panda White and Panda Black. The score right now is 2-0 favor Panda White. Sampai po tayo po sa third set. We'll be back again after 5 minutes break po. We're live here right now sa Aspire Dome in Qatar. We're witnessing right now the matchup between Panda White versus Panda Black. The scores and story so far, Panda White only 2 sets, 2-0, 25-23, 25-19, favor po ng Panda White. We'll see po after for the third set. This game is sponsored by Collagen Active Plus. Pampa-beauty products pa po, ano po na Collagen Active Plus. For smooth skin. And also packed with nutrients po yan like vitamins and minerals. Collagen Active Plus.
po tayo po para po sa third set between Panda White and Panda Black.
Si Bana. Bana. Si Bana ka ba? Anong team mo ngayon? Anong team mo ngayon? Sino lumigwak sa inyo dito? Itim puti. Ay, gahantis muna. Then, ano? Yung Wildcats, hindi sumama rito? Yung Wildcats? Ha?
Okay, third set now start. Third set about to start right now. And so for one adjustment will be made by Panda Black, or else the game now will go now to Panda White for the championship. The score so far 2-0. First set 23-25, second set 23-25-19. And now this is now the third set sa ating volleyball matchup na ito. Okay, third set action now starts. Service Panda White. Number 10. Si Marvin for the service. Okay, second representative says, get on God, not yet. Let's go. Now, Marvin serving. Service si Marvin. It's good. Reggie. Brent, pumalo. Pasok. Wala. Nice spike by Brent. 1-0. Second. Brent serving. Hulog. Hinabol. Victa. Percentage yan. Chance po na yan. Okay, balik tayo now, Reds. Josh. Hulog. In ball. Again, the power dig. Working wonders for Josh. Yung power dig ni Josh working wonders for Panda White. Service. Nice service. Nixon. Victa. Number 11. Pamalo. Nice spike by number 11. Another exclamation spike by number 11. Number 11 point for number 11 ng Panda Black. The score is 2-1. Service. Panda Black. Victa. Service. Victa, naka-service. Nice dig. Nice spike by Josh. Pumalo naman! Pasok ang bola. Outside. Sayang. The score is 2-all. 12. Numbers 12 serving. Panda White. Nice service. It's outside. Service ni number 11, De La Cruz for Panda Black. Panda Black for the service. It's good. Eto na, dig. And Josh pumalo inside. The score right now is 3-all. 3-all. Josh serving. Josh for the service. It's good. Nixon. Reggie. Pumalo inside. The score is 4-3. Lamang muli po ang Black Panda.
Panda serving. Miggy on the line. Pumalo. It's in. Overset. Hulog. Setup. And Reggie. Inside. Nice block by Michael. Service again now by Mr. Reds. Si Kahoy. Mr. Reds serving. Nice service. And eto na. Victa. Brent pumalo. Not over. Point again for Panda White. The score right now is 5-4. Change favor po tayo yun. Panda White. Service, it's good. And Brent. Reggie, hinulog muna. Set up po tayo. Set up Michael. Number 1. It's check ball. Sabi ng referee. 7 referee check ball. Check ball.
Go, Michael!
Maraming salamat po sa pagsama po sa right now. Volleyball muna po tayo. Wala muna po tayong basketball. You're watching right now the Qatar Sparkers League Championship match between Panda White versus Panda Black. Reggie, percentage spike. Walang pumunta. Walang pumunta. 5-6. Walang coverage. Walang sumunod. Number 22 serving for Panda Black.
Galing ni Babe! Takina!
Service. It's good. Nice one. And kay Marvin. Nice one kay Marvin. Wala pa rin kupa si Mr. Marvin. Back in the Survivor days yan. Tsaka ng Mermaids days pa rin. Service again now by number 1. Michael. It's good dig. Reggie. Pinato. Nice one! Blocked by Marvin. Sarado bangko. Balikpato ang labanan. Again, serving in by Michael. Number 1, 5-8 ang score.
Go, Michael!
Nice service from Michael. And now, dito po tayo kay Brent. Not over by Brent. Okay. Victa, labas muna. Rom, number 7, papasok. Siya po na magsiset muna ngayon. Settle siya muna.
Go, Michael!
Service. Dako, overserve. Good ball. Outside. Service. Again, Michael, number 1. The score right now is 5-10. Kalate. Laman ng kalate. 5-10. Serving. Michael. It's good. It's out. Check out. The score is 5-11. If they win this set, they will be now crowned as champions for the men's volleyball team ng Qatar Sparkers League. Michael again serving. It's good. Nixon to Brent. Brent pumalo. Blancado. Good ball. It's out. Okay, labas muna si Brent para kay Dane. Service to Michael again. Still number 1 on the service line. Michael, service line, serving. It's good. Good ball. Hulog. Okay. Point again for Panda White. Again, serving. Service. It's good. And nice spike. May tao doon. Outside nga lang. Di na control.
Go, Babe!
Reggie. What a point by Reggie. But still, may things pa rin kailangan gawin po. The score is 6-13. Lamang po ng dito ang White Panda. Okay, now to Mervin. Mervin. Nice spike by Mervin. Marvin. Pumalo. Outside. Timeout called by Panda Black. The score right now is 6-14, 2-0.
Ang lamang po na po ng Panda White.
Kaya si Josh, kaya si Paolo, pwede na kumain. Pwede na kumain.
Dead pa lang siya.
Pwede na kumain si Paolo.
Buhat na.
Okay. Preparing now for this whistle again. Back to the ball game. Still on the line. Si Marvin, number 10 for the service. Marvin serving. Stalwart yan dati, ng double league days pa yan. Si Marvin, mga paano yan, double league days pa. Oh, mga alamat na yun, natulog sila. Nice service for Marvin. Nice dig by Nixon. Number 11, Bicycle. Reds. Blue, hinabol. Mark. Good ball. Hulog. Hulog din. Nixon. Victa. Dane. Reds. And crossing. Crossing violation. Okay, point now for Panda Black. De La Cruz for the service. Miggy, papasok na. Dane for the service. Number 27, Dane, Panda Black serving. It's good. It's in. And Mark, easy over. And now Victa. Number 11, pumalo, pasok. Pambasag ng blockers si number 11. Dane again serving. The score is 8-14, a 6-point advantage being posted by Panda White. Nice service. Nice libero. And si Josh, hulog. Nandomitaw doon. Nice block by De La Cruz. Again, Dane for the service.
Ate, duraan mo, te! Duraan mo! Duraan mo yung si John!
Nice service. Naku. Okay, point again for Panda White. The score is 15. Hindi ko makita. 15-9. 15-9. A 6-point advantage by Panda White. Service. It's good. Nixon. De La Cruz. Pumalo. Pasok. Check out. Nice spike by number 11. Victa now for the service. Maraming ganyan ang kinakailangan nila. 11. Pumalo, not over. Victa again for the service. Back-to-back points made by Victa. 11-15 na score. Humahabol. Serving. Nice service. Nice dig. Again to Josh. Nope. It's hulog ni Josh. Nando si Nixon. Victa. Miggy. Hulog palabas. Hinulog din. Nice coverage. And naka-Victa again to number 22. Hulog. Reds. Nice dig. Number 11. Pumalo. Outside. Buting na lang iniwasan ni Victa konti. Masisisi pa siya. Service by Mr. Victa. Victa serving. It's good. Nice dig. Now okay, Josh pumalo. Pasok. Okay, sabi ni Josh. Okay, tama na ang kasiyahan. Kami naman. Nice point by Josh. 2012, number 12 now serving. Now si Paolo now reporting back in to the service line. Okay, Paolo in. Number 12 out. Quality game po ni number 12 sa Panda White. Service on the line now is Mr. Paulo. Service ni Pulong. Paulo on the service. Nice service. It's in. And number 11, Hulog. May coverage doon. And now kay Reds, may tao din doon. Victa. 15 kay Miggy. Percentage spike. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Easy over. Now chance to set up to kay number 11. Number 11, pumalo inside. Outside nga lang. Masyadong mahabang hapay. The score right now is 12-17. Lamang ng 5 ang Panda White. Nice service by Paulo. Nice dig by Nixon. Victor rather. Paulo. Number 17. Josh pumalo. Nandun si Nixon. Victa. De La Cruz pumalo. Walang tao doon. Point for De La Cruz. Number 13 serving. Number 11 rather serving. 13-17. Wala pa. Service. It's good. Okay, Paulo. To Josh. Lopez red. Pumalo. May tao doon. Hulog. May tao din doon. It's over. Uy! Oh my, napilayan pa.
Ako na! Tabi nyo!
Napilayan pa siya.
Tabi nyo, papasok ako.
Okay, sino meron ng konting natapilok ng konti si number 16. Okay sir, okay, substitution made now. Season in. Number 16 out. Natapilok siya, natapilok. Okay, service ni Josh. Service by Josh. Okay, chinag na po ang kanyang ano. It's okay now. It's a go. Josh now for the service. Pilayan kasi. Josh serving. It's good. It's out. Point again, Panda Black, si Miggy. Miggy, serving.
Go, Miggy!
Nice over Miggy. Ay! Again, the same thing. Overlapping again. Violation again sa placement. Service ni Miggy. Point for Black.
Go, Miggy!
15-18. Humahabol ang Black. Service. Nice service. And Marvin. Reds. Dig by number 11. Si De La Cruz. Season. Hulog sa likod. Check out. Nice man. Nice play by Season. Season has a step now. Service si Miggy. Check out. And timeout call by Team Panda White. Hanap tayo sa timeout po. Hanap buhay muna po tayo. This game is sponsored by Collagen Active. Yan po yung beauty tablet po ng Collagen Active. Packed with white but nutrients and collagen and many more. Collagen Active.
Michael. Six tayo.
The score is 17-18. Umahabol po ang Panda Black. lang, nalog lang yan.
Go, Miggy!
Service, Mickey. PT ba to? PT ba yan? PT? Hop! Naku pa yung trophy namin. Huwag muna. Mami yung trophy. Mami na.
Kami tayo yan.
Service again
Go,
by
Mickey!
Mickey. Tablado tayo. 18 all. 18 all. Nice service. Again, eto na. Reds. Walang pinasahan. 19-18 change favor.
Go, Miggy!
Nice service by Miggy. Again, point by number 1. Good ball. Outside. Okay, number 1. Give back again the ball para sa Panda White. The score is 19 all. Service. Nice service. Nicole. Day and good ball, good ball, good ball! Wrong communication. Service again, Panda White. The score is 19-20. Service Nino. Reds. Service ni Reds. Okay, 40 minutes po ni number 84. Balik muli po si Reggie. Number 16 sa Panda Black.
Go, Didi!
Service. Nice service. Nixon. Again. Hulog! One more time. Nice bicycle spike. Michael. Nice dig. Nice dig. One more time. Reggie. Bicycle spike. Hulog. Natin si Nixon. Victa. Pumalo. Nice defense. Natin si Josh. Michael. Fly ball. Outside. Sino ano?
Are you okay?
Pre, sino yung gumano sa kanya? Yung nag-twist, yung nag-set back? Sino yun? Ano number? Yung PT. Yung PT, sino yung PT? Na umano? Service by number 22. Panda Black. Nice service. Nice dig. Eto na. Marvin. Nando. Blocked. One more time. Michael. Percentage spike. It's good. And Dane. Marvin. Kay Marvin. Nope. It's Reds. Okay, change favor tayo. 21-20. Number 22. Serving.
Go, Jesse Boy!
Jesse Boy. Serving. Nice service. Libero. Okay, kay Marvin. Marvin! Nandun si number 11. One more time. Dane. Percentage spike. Number 1. Not over. 4 touches. 4 touches. Dumikit.
Michael, bawi tayo, Michael, please!
Service again by number 22. 22-20 ang score.
Go, Jesse Boy!
Nice service. Nice dig. Number 1. Good ball. Isa pa. Hulog sa likod. Outside! And time out called by Team Panda White. The score right now is Lucas Tommy 20-20. Lamang na po ang ng dalawang tatlo. Last 2 para kay Panda Black.
Sino PT dyan? PT. PT.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Go, Jeben!
Service number 22, Panda Black. Panda Black serving. Service number 22. The score is 23-20.
Go, Jesse Boy!
Nice one. Reds. Pumalok. Boy Pambola. Hulog. Pumalong. Spike. Center. Juanes is good. Reggie. Top spin. Boy Pambola. Reds. Reds. And again, big tahulog sa likod. And 26. Good ball. The score is 21-23. Lamang ng dalawa ang Black Panda. Service. Nice service. Nixon. Kay Dane muli. Tumahan si Dane. Nice sleep by Josh. Paulo. Batang spike. Melvin. Marvin. Hulog sa likod. Nandun si Nixon. One more time. Kay Reggie. Inside!
Go, babe!
Nice spike by Reggie. Now, number 16. Serving for Panda Black. And chance now to extend the game to fourth set. Set point, Panda Black. And Marvin inside. Boy Pambola. Nice spike by Marvin. Wag mo na ng timeout. Mamasira yung momentum. Marvin serving. Nice service from Marvin. Nixon. Number 11. Pumalo. Outside! Now timeout called by Panda Black. This game is brought to you by Collagen Active. Tablets po yan. Chewable tablets po yan. Packed with vitamins and minerals and also collagen for smooth skin and a healthy living. Collagen Active. To the ball game. The score is 24-23. Chance now again to tie the ball game para sa Panda White, or else will go now to fourth set para sa Panda Black. Okay, check mo muna. Check lang daw. Check. Bola. Marvin for the service. You're watching right now. 24-23. Marvin serving. Nixon to number 11. First hit spike. Okay, chance again na to put away now. And Josh pumalo. Nandun si Nixon. Josh again. Gina! Pasok! Oh, teka lang po. Team captains. Okay, team captains. Repman muna po. Toolbox talk muna tayo. Dapat naka-helmet po kayo.
Si Josh talaga. Nakita ko na si Josh talaga.
Okay, what's the call, referee? The call stands. 24 all. Marvin serving. Plus 2. Deuce tayo. Inside. Advantage by Panda White.
Go, Panda!
Championship point now for Panda White. Marvin serving. Championship point.
Marvin serving. Nice service. Okay. Number 11, kumalo, hinulog. Nice Rex. Hinulog! Good ball. And... Okay. Okay, ano muna? Teka lang. Mag-meeting muna ang dalawang referee. Magtutulbox po sila. Okay, what's the call? The call stands. Tabla, 25 all. The call stands. Service. Brent. Tabla tayo, 25 all. Brent serving, it's good. Good ball. Hinahabol ng bola. Josh, first in spike. Again, one more time kay number 11. Number 11! Outside! Walang check.
Check ni Josh, nakita ko.
Service. Championship point now. Panda White. Nice service. And big time. Number 11, Lulog. Nandun yung numero. Set up na kay Josh. Si Josh. Okay, buhay pang bola. Emigi first. It's over na ng Emigi. Marvin. Josh, sumalo. And champion! Congratulations! Panda White!
Go Panda!
Congratulations for Panda White for winning the ball game and also the championship trophy. Before we go, this game is brought to you by Collagen Active. Maraming salamat po Collagen Active for being the sponsor for this game. And of course, congratulations still Panda White. Panda Valley Hitters. Panda White taking now everything, including the trophy and the championship also. Maraming salamat po. Also, kudos naman po sa Panda Black for giving a great ball game. Maraming salamat po. And again, this is RBG host with you, RBG Vlogs with you. And let's proceed na para po sa awarding ceremonies. Thank you very much po and have a nice day. Ay, Collagen. Sorry, binulsa ko. Salamat. Kala ko libre. Thank you very much po and we're going out. 3, 2,